We often see these type of 3D designs on Behance or Dribble, and we think that these are made by 3D software. But, if I tell you that, you can do these 3D designs with Adobe Illustrator. I know, you don't believe that. That's why I make this video for you guys to prove that we can do these type 3D designs by Adobe Illustrator. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your simple flat design into 3D design. So make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information you find it in the tutorial. First of all, you need to have a design. It can be your logo, or others vector, that you want to convert into 3D design. Now I'm going to make a simple design as an example. First take rectangular tool, and draw a square. Okay, that's good. Take move tool. And curve two sides of the square like that. Turn off fill color. Okay, that's fine. Now take line segment tool, and draw a line equal to the square top line. Copy the line by hold Alt, and make total 5 lines by hold Ctrl, and pressing D. Now select the lines, and make it equal to the square like that. Okay, that's perfect. Now take pen tool, and make a line between two corners like that. Now select everything, and take shape builder tool. Turn on fill color, and draw individually just like that. Okay, that's good. Now delete extra parts of the design. Select the design, and turn off stroke color. Again select the design, and make it group. Now we need to copy the design. For copy, go edit, and select copy, and again go edit, and select paste in place. As we can see, we copied the design. Now select the top design, and take move tool, and curve it like that. Now select everything, and take shape builder tool, and join like that. Okay, that's good. I have drawn my design. Now select the design, and ungroup it. Now make this design colorful. So I take eyedropper tool, and copy those color. Okay, that's fine. I think there are some extra vector of design side. So, select the design by hold Shift. Move it little bit aside. Now select extra vector, and delete this. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and group it. You must group your design before making 3D. Now rotate this design like that. Now select the design, and go Effect, and select 3D and Materials, select Extrude and Bevel. From here, select Inflate. Make depth 10 px. From rotation, make everything 0. Okay, that's good. Now click on Materials. From Base Properties, make Roughness 0.65 and Metallic 0.2. Now click on Lighting. From Lighting, click on Color, and make the color off-white. Now increase the intensity to 97. And decrease the rotation to 90. Increase the height to 48. And increase the softness to 90. Now turn on the Shadows option. And increase the shadow bounds to 250. Now click on Render with Ray Tracing. Wait for a while. Wow, the result of rendered just amazing. Now take Rectangular tool and draw a rectangular equal to artboard. Send it back like that. Also change the color. Okay, that's good. So friends, this is how you can easily make your flat design into 3D design. You don't need to have 3D software, you can do that with your Illustrator software. So friends, if you think this video helped you, kindly like this video, and subscribe to my channel to get regular new videos. Thank you.